everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something I've never done before. I don't think I've ever done before. I think I've done one hair tutorial back in like 2005, but I'm actually going to do a hair video. So this video is going to show you different hairstyles to do when you have greasy hair. Yeah, kind of gross. I have greasy hair quite a lot of the time because I wash my hair. It's nice for one day, and the day after that it's very greasy. If anyone has any suggestions on how to prevent that, then that would be very handy. If you could leave a comment down below, help me out because I need help. So I wanted to show you 5 different hairstyles to do when you have greasy hair, but not just like a ponytail, because that's kind of all I used to do if I had greasy hair, just a ponytail. I can't really think of anything else, but these are quite good looking, stylish hairstyles to do. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So if I take my hair out, it literally looks like wet. It literally looks so bad, and I literally washed my hair 2 days ago. 2 days ago. This one is going to be a high middle parted ponytail, but with like little loopy bits down the ponytail. It will look good. So what you're going to need for this look is some brushes, and then I have this like nail brush which actually smooths out any like harsh edges in your hair, if that makes any sense, that this brush creates. Anyway, just something to smooth out your hair. And then loads of these little tiny hair bands. And then a few actual hair bands and some hairspray. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to part the front like crown section. I'm actually just going to put it in a little scrunchie here just to get it out of my face. Right, it's still on my face, but oh well. And then with the rest of your hair, you're just going to brush it upwards. You want to make it slick and sleek as possible. So you're just going to brush it up into a high ponytail. So once you have your ponytail, I'm going to take the smoothing brush and just smooth out all the hair so it's all flat. Then I'm just going to take my regular hairband and tie that in a ponytail. Okay, so now with this bit, I'm just going to part it in the middle and then brush it upwards and pull it around the ponytail and twist it around the hairband. Okay, so I just did the other side. So all it is high ponytail, and then you pull these bits back, but you still have the middle parting. What? No way. Yes way. So you could leave it like this and just a high ponytail, but to make it more interesting, get these little tiny hair bands, and I'm gonna put one like here, like that, and then again at the same distance further down, and then poof that out a little bit. And then again, poof that out a little bit. And then last one, and poof it out a little bit. So can you see how cool that is? Oh, I love it! Or you could plait it, but this is just a lot more interesting, I feel like. It's almost like a Princess Jasmine from Disney. I mean, if you have thicker hair, it'll probably look nicer because my hair's quite thin, so it doesn't poof out as much as I would like it to. But yeah, so here's the first look. Okay, so for the next one, keeping the whole middle part look, I'm going to brush my hair more downwards, but still keeping that part and still making it sleek. Just gonna take a normal hairband and literally just put this into a low pony. Now you're going to need one of these crocodile clip thingy bobbies, and what you're going to do is just going to twist your hair around like this. And let me show you from the back actually. So when it's all twisted, I like to take it upwards, put my hand there to keep it in place, bring it down under the actual hairband, and then back up again. And leave a bit of hair sticking up like this. And then with the clip, just take the clip and put it in place. Like so. And once it's in place, I would like to play with these little spiky bits of hair. Kind of like to put it to one side, so it looks like this. Very simple, very quite 90s, and very sleek and stylish, and a lot better than just putting your hair up in a ponytail. For the next look, I'm going to brush my hair all backwards, and then I just parted it on one side, quite a deep part. Just going to clip that out of the way for the moment. With the rest of my hair, I'm just going to brush it upwards into a high ponytail. And once it's in a high ponytail, I'm just going to get some hairspray and really make sure everything is sleek. I think this hairstyle is known as like the Bella Hadid hairstyle because I think she wore it once, and I think it's known as her hairstyle now. Anyway, with this bang section, I'm just going to comb it downwards like this, spray with a little bit of hairspray and smooth it out. And with a hair clip, just pin it in place. I have to pin it closer to my actual face because I actually have bangs. Okay, and give the ponytail a little brush. And this is this hairstyle. Very nice, very sleek, very body, very fancy. Because my hair is quite thin, it doesn't look like as good in this hairstyle. So I've actually got this like hair extension piece with like a big clip that I like to put in when I do this hairstyle. I just put it under my hair, under the ponytail. And voila, look how thick it is. You know what would be nice as well? If like with straighteners, if you like flicked the ends outwards. That would be well nice. So that's a little add-on thing that you can do. But yeah, this is this one. Okay, so keeping with this hairstyle, you could definitely make it into a bun. So you literally just take the ponytail, twist it around, wrap it around, get a hairband, secure in place, mess it about a little bit, and voila. I feel like this is quite a vintage look. Very sleek and classy bun. That's not just all scraped back. I like this little fringe bit here. It's so fancy. I love it. Okay, for the last hairstyle that I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this whole fringe bit here, but I'm going to take my hair out of the ponytail. I'm just going to brush it all into the middle and secure it in a ponytail, kind of like a low ponytail. And then again, grab the crocodile clip and do the same twisting process. Like so, and then leave some bits of hair on top. Like that. So it's the same hairstyle essentially as the other crocodile clip hairstyle, but just with a different hairline. I actually wear this one quite a lot. I love this one. Very easy, very simple, but yet very effective. Let me give you a little 180 view here. Okay, so that brings me to the end of the video, the end of all the hairstyles. I hope this helped anyone out there if you're having one of them days where it's like, I have greasy hair, don't have time to wash it, but I don't want to look like a tramp. So I think these are nice hairstyles to do when you're in that situation and you still look very much put together. I like these hairstyles a lot. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.